take care of IT in Artemis Hospital.
So what best IT techniques have been adopted by your hospital?
So the best thing which we have adopted right now, that's a cloud. And the second thing is the digitization, right? Company is facing a lot of problem in terms of the storage, physical storage and the storage of the system as well. So what we have done is we have basically adopted a cloud for this reason, and they are helping us, right? For example, the PACS, it generates a lot of images, right? So what we are doing is basically we have defined a mechanism where we can park the data on a cloud, right? And it's on a pay-per usage, so that there is no need to invest a lot of money in a one go on a storage, right? Because the moment the data which you are generating it will be online, it will be go automatically in the cloud, and you pay only pay-per usage. That's what we have done recently.
So according to you, how has been the adoption of IT in the healthcare sector so far?
It's very good actually. It's very good adoption. See, in terms of first of all, what you have to do is you have to create a awareness, right? Whenever, let's say, you have a very innovative thought, right? But if you are not basically given a training to others, right? They will not definitely. They will not understand the puzzle. So what you have to do, you have to pick up one problem which they are facing and do some innovation around it, so that like easy adoption. That's what it's like we have done in our.
So how do you keep your doctors updated about the new technology? Do you organize workshops?
So I do a program generally in my hospital that's called Know Your IT, right? Where I'm inviting all the doctors every month, right? And give fixed for 1 hour slot where I'm educating what we are, what Artemis ecosystem is, and what all the new technologies are coming, how they can basically help you in terms of execution, diagnostic, and other kind of things, right? So that's why, like, I'm trying to educate them.
So any new technology being adopted by Artemis?
Yes, we are planning actually. This year we are planning for the PI, right? Another thing is storage on cloud.
So could you tell something about that? How will it help?
Yes, because Artemis is basically going to run a research program, right? Where I can, as an IT person, I can really help them, right? Okay, this is an old data lying there, and this is a ongoing data is coming. So in case you require any data for the research, how you can basically do that research, how you can extract that data, right? Because I'm giving you a classic example. Let's say somebody looking for studies of oncology, right, and breast cancer, but particular type of ABC type of cancer. So they can basically do the data mining, and they can basically pull out the board records, and where they can see how many got treated, how many not treated. I mean, they have treated but they have not survived, right? That kind of information they can easily dig down, and they can basically help. This will help to develop IT.
So in early stages, what challenges do you face in adoption of IT, and what would you advise to the upcoming hospitals?
That's a very tricky question actually. See, if you are not educated, you will be create a own process, right? And tomorrow, all of a sudden, let's say I said, okay, no, you will not follow X. Now this is Y. So definitely you feel a lot of resistance. So adoption has to be very easy. It has to be basically come through the education, right? So you have to educate. You have to more and more engage people in your thoughts, in your execution.
So what do you say about the Union Budget 2015? Do you help?
I'm really impressed with Arun Jaitley, who has basically decided to give us 32,000 crores for the healthcare. So I see bright future in healthcare.
So how has IT impacted the healthcare industry?
Yeah, very much, because IT is an enabler, right? And I'm sure like what all the programs they are defining it, definitely IT can add a lot of value. Like I like to give you a classic example. This budget is more focusing on the telemedicine nationwide.
Something to users about the telemedicine.
Yeah, telemedicine is a program where user can basically come and take the appointment online, and face to face they can basically talk to the doctor instead of coming directly, right? And they can share the reports as well to the doctor, and doctor can basically advise them. If required, they can come, they can go to the doctor to the nearest place, and they can basically get access.
So how DPP model helps in improving the infrastructure of healthcare?
It's very much, I totally agree with it, and but it will take a lot of time to mature. It's not that easy, but we are also in a process of understanding internally. We are doing some conversation, but still we feel it takes time.
So how these sort of forums help industry?
Very much, because people are coming in a common platform, they are basically exchanging the thoughts and they are sharing the innovation around it. So that will be really help us to start a new programs in the hospital, and probably we can take a casual help to the colleagues, and they can basically educate more what problems and experiences they had it there.
Thanks for the invitation.
Thank you.
Can I have your business cards?
Yeah, sure.